Today we're looking at one of our fully powered drum rotators. This model has a weighing system for weighing the drum and its contents. First of all, we take the tiller and drive towards the drum. Got a lot of control on this tiller, so we can go really slowly. We want to check before we lift that the centre of rotation is in line with the drum. In this case, I'm just going to move forward a little bit more. Then I'm going to press the clamp button. The clamp system is hydraulic, so there's a gauge on the back panel which shows the pressure of the clamp. It's important this is in the green section on the gauge. We're now going to lift up the drum. Once at full height, I'm just going to move forward a little bit more. I'm going to tip forwards. We come forward a little bit more. Okay, because we've got a tap installed, we can now walk forwards and open the tap. It's important with a unit like this that the operator is a single person operator unit, so the operator can stand at the back and use all the controls, staying behind the unit. When everything's stopped moving, it's safe to go forward and open a valve, but you should never stand under a raised load. So I'm going to walk forwards. I now have the valve at the front here, so I'm going to open the valve. Now with this unit, there's a load cell display, and I can see the weight of the drum reducing. Once we get to a weight that we're happy with, we can begin to close the valve. And because we're weighing the drum, we can do it a very gentle amount, a small amount of water. And when we're happy, close the valve. We can now return the drum to the vertical. Move it backwards a little bit. We'll now show you a close-up of a load cell display. We're now looking at the front of the unit. You can see the drum clamped in the head, and in the top left of the image you can see the load cell display. This is showing the current weight of the drum and its contents. By request of the customer, this model has the display facing forwards so that they can see the weight of the drum when they open the tap or valve on the drum at the front. What we're going to do now is we're going to open the valve, and you'll see the weight of the drum decrease. So you can see now going down about 115 kilos, 110 kilos. If we stop the valve and we'll close the valve on the drum, the load cell steadies. It's steadied around 94.7 kilograms. The system's accurate to 0.1 of a kilogram. We'll open the valve again. And we've closed the valve. We've got a lot of adjustment. If we want to reduce down to say 81 kilograms, we can open the valve, let a small amount of liquid out, They have 81 kilograms.